Welcome to Mulyankan UPSC. Now today's lecture is about how to approach passages of upcoming CSET prelims, that is 2021. Now basically two types of passages have been asked. One is inference based and another is assumption based. So we will see each type in detail, and how to arrive to the solution is the main aim of our video. Now this is the first passage that I have taken from UPSC CSET 2020. So this passage question will be followed with something related to inference based, or we can say conclusion based or deduced, some of the things that they will ask in terms of question. Now first we will see how to read the passage. Now let us read the passage. In India, over the last decade or so. Now while reading the passage, you have to concentrate on the models or the connectors, like I have highlighted it in the passage. Now here, in India, over the last decade or so, this model depicts that it is something approximation that they are talking about. Also, labor has been departing agriculture, but is a connector which is showing that something contradictory is happening. So but is only going to the construction and the unregistered manufacturing, which are not markedly better jobs. Means this manufacturing jobs are not better that they are talking about. Service where labor tends to be. When they are saying tends to be, means it is something which is inclining or aligning towards something. Tends to be most productive, are not generating additional jobs. When they are saying are not, it means they are talking something with surety that you should understand. Generating the additional jobs the country needs. India will need 24 million or so. Again an connector or so. Here also or so means again an approximation they are talking about. Or so jobs over the next decade. The new sector e-commerce can at best depicts what? That maximum what work it can do. So it is showing something condition which is like at the max this can happen. So can at best close only the half the job gap. Only those connector depicts what? Something which is showing about surety nature. Only those sectors that drive domestic demand, such as. When a connector such as is used, it means that regarding this sentence they are putting an instance or an example, such as health and education. So they are explaining something, and to justify it with the help of such as connector, they are justifying or giving an example, such as health and education can comfortably fill other half. Can comfortably means again they are talking about something which is on surety lines or on a strong foundation. So this is how with models and connectors you have to understand that where they are saying it loosely and where they are saying it with very high intensity or with very surety grounds. Once we have now comprehended this passage, now let us go to the question. Now the question says, which of the following is best implied? Implied means inference, deduced, concluded. So that is they are asking. Implied means that will come something afterwards, you can say in that manner. So first option, strong measures needed to be taken. Now we have seen that whenever needed to be taken is there, it means that something with surety they are asking. Strong measures need to be taken to reduce the rural urban migration. No, this can be comfortably eliminated because we are nothing related to migration is being asked or is been explained in the passage. Second option, the working condition in construction and unregistered manufacturing needs to be improved. So they are talking about the job, not about the construction in the passage. As we can see here, construction and unregistered manufacturing jobs which are markedly better jobs. So they are talking about the job, not the condition of the job. So this also can be eliminated. Third option talks about service sector has been reducing. Now has been is again a model that they are using, again a connector using has been reducing. So is it something with surety they are talking about? Yes. And is the passage talking with surety something about it? No. So even third it can be eliminated. Now with this three elimination, of course the answer will be 4, that we can definitely take in the exam, but we will also see what does the fourth option says. Increased social sector spending is imperative Is imperative means again on surety terms they are talking about. And if we see the last sentence, only those sector, so here also they are talking with surety terms. And of course the answer for this question will be the option D. Increased social sector spending is imperative for large scale job creation. That is, if we look out for the last sentence, only those sector that drive domestic demand such as health and education, which are nothing but social sector, comfortably fill the other half, will be our answer. So this is how implied or inference based passage could be approached. Another trick is, whenever implied or inference based questions are coming, most of the time answers are on the last line of the passage. That is one trick that you can definitely follow. Now once we have understood how the trick works, now let us see how we can continue the same approach for another, that is assumption based passage. So assumption is something on which, when a passage talks about, the foundation is nothing but your assumption, or at the base or at the primary level or at the fundamental level, what thing is considered on which the sentence or the passage talks about is nothing but your assumption. Now again we will approach the passage with the same trick. We will find out the connectors and the models and see what exactly those connectors talks about. In India, the current focus on, the right to privacy is based on some new realities. Some new realities means they are not talking exhaustively but taking something into consideration. Some new realities of the digital age. A right is a substantive right only if indicates what? With a surety term. Only if it works in all situations and for everyone. A right is free expression of an individual about her exploitation. For instance means this sentence they are explaining something, and with the example they are now justifying it, is a meaningless without actual availability of security that guarantees the private force cannot be used to thwart this right. Thwart means to restrain, to restrict. The role of the state, here they are talking about the role of the state. Therefore means the role of the state should be, therefore continues that what it should be is not just to abstain from preventing rightful free expression, but also is different from but indicates contradictory, and but also extends it further, that this is complemented by. In such a way you have to understand this connector. So but also to actively ensure that private parties are not able to block it. So we have comprehended, we have understood that something about right and digital world this passage talks about. Now let us see the questions. Now the basis of the above passage, following assumptions have been made. So what are the foundations under which this following is talked about? So first, state should have some institutions to ensure its appropriate role in digital society. Yes, even if they are not talking about institution, we are seeing here that the role of the state. So role of the state can be actually implied or can be conducted or executed with the help of some institution. So we can say definitely yes, this is something which is assumed. So even if you have doubt, we will keep it aside. Okay, first sentence is something that can be assumed, that role of the state has some institutional role also. Second, state should ensure that private parties do not violate citizens' right to privacy. So of course this is very much evident from the last line, to actively ensure that private parties are not able to block it. So this sentence is for very sure that it is assumed. So first and two we can comfortably say that they will be assumed. Third, digital economy is not compatible with idea of not violating citizens' privacy. So this is a very far-fetched assumption, and digital economic compatibility with the idea of not violating citizens' privacy is not at all talked in the passage. It is something assumed which cannot be comprehended, or can be say it is blatantly wrong. So we can definitely eliminate option 3. So once we have eliminated option 3, these two options are gone. So second only, yes, it is sure, and first also we can definitely assume. So out of A and D, the most appropriate options will be option A. So friends, what we have seen here, that the passage comprehension needs to be understood in two methods. First is where the passage is surely saying something and where it is loosely saying something, and what is the brief idea that is passage talking about. When we comprehended on this two level, we can definitely arrive to the answer, and we can have our passage accuracy up from 90 to 95% accuracy, because passage compromises about 45 to 55 questions that forms the major chunk in your UPSC CSAT. So I would say that you definitely should practice past year 2020 prelims paper regarding CSAT, and if any doubt come, you can definitely contact us, and passage is the first priority that you should do while studying CSAT. So thank you.